what is meditation. And don't worry, I am not going to bore you by long, lengthy definitions of meditation. I'm not going to show you Wikipedia के हिसाब से meditation ये होता है, इसके हिसाब से ये meditation होता है, इस गुरु के हिसाब से ये meditation होता है. No, I'm going to tell you the clear, straightforward, experiential solution, or the crux of it. I want you to pay 100% attention to what I'm about to say, because what I'm about to say literally can change your life. Meditation is being present. Literally, that's all what meditation is. When you're present, you are in a meditative state. Now, what happens is, because we are living in information era, we are bombarded with information from everywhere. आपके मोबाइल पे आप सुबह उठते नहीं हो, इतने सारे नोटिफिकेशंस आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. You pick up your phone, and then there are notification after notification. Sometimes you forget what did you pick your phone up for, and you are busy now watching the reels or the shorts, and then you don't even realize when did all of that time go away. Now, why did that happen is because you were meditating on those reels. It's not that you can't meditate, guys. You are meditating already. Whatever you are present with, you are meditating with that. We just have to focus on what to meditate. So when you are present with something or someone 100%, you are meditating. Now, lots of people find it very difficult to meditate because all they were told is, chup karke baith jao. Just sit quietly. And you are not told what to focus on. So when you are meditating, what you're actually doing is you are being present. What you do is you practice being present in the meditation. You can begin by being present with your breath.